Welcome to this tapping session designed to help you release negative thoughts and embrace a more positive mindset. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhaling through your mouth. Feel yourself relax as you exhale. We'll start tapping on the side of the hand. Even though I have these negative thoughts, I deeply and completely accept myself. Eyebrow point. These negative thoughts that weigh me down. Side of the eye. I acknowledge their presence in my mind. Under the eye. They don't define who I am. Under the nose. I'm ready to release them now. Under the mouth. Letting go of negativity with each tap. Collarbone. I choose to release these thoughts. Under the arm. Creating space for positive energy. Top of the head. I am free from these negative thoughts. Now you can stop tapping and take another deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel the release and welcome the calm. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and embrace positivity. Thank you for joining the session.